What happens to you when you start eating peanuts every day? Peanuts, those humble legumes, have garnered attention for their nutritional benefits and potential health effects. Whether you sprinkle them on your salad, enjoy them as a crunchy snack, or incorporate them into your cooking, peanuts offer a plethora of nutrients. But what happens when you start eating peanuts every day? Let's delve into the potential outcomes of making peanuts a regular part of your diet. Nutritional benefits of peanuts. Before diving into the effects of daily peanut consumption, it's essential to understand their nutritional profile. Peanuts are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are an excellent source of biotin, copper, niacin, folate, vitamin E, manganese, and phosphorus. Moreover, peanuts contain antioxidants like resveratrol and flavonoids, which contribute to their health-promoting properties. Potential health effects of eating peanuts every day. Number 1. Heart health. Numerous studies have suggested that incorporating peanuts into your diet may promote heart health. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in peanuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 2. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, peanuts can aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. Their high protein and fiber content promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer periods and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Number 3. Blood sugar control. Peanuts have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This characteristic makes them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 4. Nutrient intake. Regular consumption of peanuts can contribute to meeting your daily nutrient requirements. They are particularly rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, which plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and blood pressure management. Number 5. Gut health. Peanuts contain both soluble and insoluble fibers, which promote digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Number 6. Allergy concerns. While peanuts offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to recognize that they can trigger severe allergic reactions in some individuals. If you have a peanut allergy or are at risk, it's crucial to avoid peanuts and peanut-containing products altogether. Number 7. Aflatoxin contamination. Peanuts are susceptible to aflatoxin contamination, a potent carcinogen produced by certain molds. Regular consumption of aflatoxin-contaminated peanuts may increase the risk of liver cancer. Therefore, it's advisable to choose high-quality, aflatoxin-tested peanuts to minimize this risk. Number 8. Potential for weight gain. Despite their nutritional benefits, overconsumption of peanuts can lead to weight gain, especially if calorie intake exceeds energy expenditure. It's important to practice portion control and incorporate peanuts into a balanced diet to prevent excessive calorie consumption. Incorporating peanuts into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, blood sugar control, and enhanced nutrient intake. However, it's essential to consume peanuts in moderation and be mindful of potential allergy concerns and aflatoxin contamination. By enjoying peanuts as part of a balanced diet, you can harness their nutritional goodness and support your overall health and well-being.